Cook and eat healthier with the Dash Compact Air Fryer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Dash Compact Air Fryer. If you're looking for ways to cook healthier, this appliance can help. This comes in a variety of colors. I've included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The Compact Air Fryer comes with a user guide and a recipe book to give you some ideas of what you can cook. This is the digital compact version and has a capacity of 1.6 quarts and uses 1200 watts. These fryers can cut the fat up to 80% and cooking time is simple and quick. The digital display provides many modes and it's easy to use and adjust the temperature and time. The removable basket is non-stick and is also dishwasher safe. The appliance is very small and compact. It's plastic construction all around, and the back has some vents. The bottom also have rubber feet to provide stability. The basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe as mentioned earlier. To release, just slide the plastic and push down on the button. You can see all the holes in the basket that will let the oil drain to the bottom. And just push back to lock it into place. The top has all the controls. You have the power, start, stop, mode buttons, temperature and timer, and the adjustments for the values. You can switch between the presets such as chicken, beef, fries, or manually set the time and temperature. So let's cook some chicken wings. I filled the basket with some frozen chicken wings. Just to note, the LED is flickering because of the camera effect. It's actually solid and it doesn't flicker. I'll set the mode to chicken and the preset is 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Again, you can also override that and set your own temps and time. So just slide the basket in and press the start button. After 20 minutes, this is how the chicken wings turned out. Nice and crispy, and all the oils drained to the bottom. My thoughts on the air fryer are very positive. I was amazed at all the oil that it collected on the bottom. The wings turned out very crispy and it did not lose any flavor. This is very convenient and cooking times are quick. This is definitely an appliance for those that want to cook healthier or just have busy schedules. The design is great and easy to store. It doesn't take up much room. If you have a larger family, there are larger sizes available for more cooking quantity. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.